If you have to confuse in ABC, arterial blood gas, then you have to see this video. This is the normal value of pH, CO2 and bicarbonate, and if pH is less than 7.35 it is acidosis. If pH is greater than 7.45 it is alkalosis. First you have to understand match and mismatch rule. Match means metabolic, mismatch means respiratory. If pH decrease and CO2 increase it is mismatch, so it is respiratory. And pH decrease, so it is acidosis. If pH decrease, bicarbonate decrease, it is match, so it's metabolic. In pH decrease, so it is acidosis. If pH increase, CO2 decrease, it is mismatch, so it's respiratory. And pH increase, so it's alkalosis. This is respiratory alkalosis. If pH increase, bicarbonate increase, it is match, so it's metabolic. And pH increase, so it's alkalosis, it's metabolic alkalosis. So students, never confuse in exams and follow for more.